Mexico City. You know what? I gotta say this real quick. I'm gonna set my jacket. I gotta say this. Tú eres mi corazón. ¿No? ¿Español? ¿Poquito? Bueno? I'm looking around everywhere and I'm just seeing, I mean, seriously, there are so many. Tú eres muy bonita. Okay, seriously. Look at you. Hey, what this is? Take that. So, I got a question real quick. How many people have been to the Backstreet Boys concert the past 3 nights? And how many are here for the first time, huh? Well, I gotta welcome the people that haven't been here and thank the people who have been here because this is 4 nights in a row! And the Backstreet Boys are absolutely in love with Mexico. Yes, you, all of you, all of you. So welcome to the Inner World Like This World Tour concert.